Hey everybody! Today we are going to be making cheeseburger bites or bacon cheeseburger bites. I got this recipe on Facebook and I'm going to be adding the link in the description. I hope you enjoy it. If you do enjoy these videos, please click the like button or subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. So, it's time for the final ratings. The very picky 12-year-old gave it a rating of a 2 out of 10, which is 100% improvement over the other 3 recipes we've made so far. The picky eater gave it a rating of a 6 out of 10. Not too bad. The normal person rating was an 8 out of 10. All in all, the recipe was pretty good, but on the messiness scale, it gets a rating of a 7 out of 10. It made a mess of the kitchen. I had 2 frying pans that got dirty. The smoke was in the kitchen. I got a bunch of cutting boards dirty. I got bowls dirty, and my hands were a mess from the bacon and from the ground beef and everything. So it was a good recipe, but it did make kind of a mess. So that's the ratings we've got here. If you do enjoy these videos, I'd ask that you subscribe to my channel, and I have a playlist specifically for these cooking videos that you can watch. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.